Hello and namaste. Today we are trying to do something in a different environment. I'm going to use this OneNote to make you understand the self-observation slide of partial differentiation composite function part 1. I have given two different questions. Out of that, the second question will be having a discussion on this particular session or particular video today. If you'll observe this, z equals to sine inverse of x minus y, comma x is equals to 3t, comma y is equals to 4t cube, show that dz upon dt is equals to 3 upon square root of 1 minus t square. So if you'll observe here, this z is a function of x and y, but this x and y, they themselves are the function of t. X is a function of t, y is also a function of t. So we can have this is a third level variable, these are the second level variable, these are the first level of the variables. So now we can understand that this is what we are going to get it here whenever we are talking about the level of the variables. Okay, so this is dz upon dt. So that means what? In the third level the variable is only one present, that is a t present. That's the reason we have to consider here dz upon dt. Whenever we are trying to write down the composite function, the chain rule, it has to go via x and y. That means here we have to have this dou z upon dou x. Why is that dou z upon dou x? Because in the second level we have got two variables. That's the reason it would be with respect to x partial into dx upon dt plus same way with the y, dou z upon dou y into dy upon dt. Now we have to find out the respective values from this particular function. Now if you observe here, z is sine inverse of x minus y, and we know that the differentiation or d upon dx of sine inverse of x is been given to us as 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. So we have to make use of the same differentiation here for that. So what would be this? This is dou z upon dou x would gives us here dou z upon dou x. Dou z upon dou x is 1 upon square root of 1 minus x minus y the square into differentiation of x minus y with respect to x, that would be plus 1, into dx upon dt, that would be 3 because it is x with respect to t, plus dou z upon dou y would gives us 1 upon square root of 1 minus x minus y the square into differentiation of x minus y with respect to y, that would gives us minus 1, into dy upon dt would gives us 12t square. So we got this particular problem so far. Now if you'll observe here, if you'll just simplify further from this particular, we have got the same LCM. So we have got the same LCM, so that numerator will get added. So it is 3, it is minus 12t square upon square root of 1 minus x minus y the square, which is nothing but, if I'll take 3 out, it would gives us 1 minus 4t square divided by square root of 1 minus x minus y the square. Now if you go ahead and solve further for this particular function, because see, if you observe here, we want this particular dz upon dt only in terms of t. We do not want any x and y present here. So that means what? We have to change this denominator from x and y to t. So that we'll just put the values of this x and y. Before going to putting the values of x and y, we have to simplify. If you will just have it, we can have this as square root of 1 minus x minus y the square, that is nothing but square root of 1 minus, now we have to have the expansion of x minus y the whole square, a minus b the whole square, x square minus 2xy plus y square, which is equals to, which is nothing but square root of 1 minus x square, or this is nothing but x square plus 2xy minus y square. This would be the you can say the simplification. But what we have got it, x is 3t, y is 4t cube. So this is nothing but it's equals to square root of 1 minus x is equals to 3t, so it's 3t square plus 2 into x is 3t. Y is equals to 4t cube. It's 4t cube minus 4t cube the square. That means what? In short, we are trying to change every x and y in terms of only t's. We do not want any other variable into the picture here. So everything would be replaced as x will be replaced as 3t, y would be replaced as 4t cube, which is given to us in the example. Now if you further simplify, so we are just simplifying the denominator, because numerator we do have it all this in terms of t. So but we do not have it in the denominator. So denominator, what we are going to get it here is equals to 1 minus 9t squared. This is 2 into t, 6t. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 4, that would gives us here 3, 12, 24 t to the power 4 minus, what would be this? This would be 4t cubed the square, that would be 16 t to the power 3 to the power 2, that is t to the power 6, which is nothing but, so this particular thing we can further simplify further here as square root of this 9 minus 9t squared and this particular this, so this is nothing but we are just trying to replace this one. So it's 1 minus 8t squared minus t square, which is 9t square here, and then we wanted this minus 16 t to the, so it's t to the power 4, right? So it's 16, so we have got this 24 t to the power 4, that would be getting divided as 16. So it's 1 minus 8t square minus t square, so 9t square we have split it as minus 8 minus 1. Similarly, this particular 24t to the power 4 can be split as 16t to the power 4 plus 8t to the power 4 minus 16t to the power 6. Now this can be written as, we are trying to achieve something because we have got in the numerator 1 minus 4t square. So we are trying to get in the denominator also the similar factor or same factor, but that would require little bit of adjustment, and that adjustment we are trying to do it here. So it's nothing but 1 minus 8t square plus 16t to the power 4. That means what? We have taken this factor and this factor in the one bracket. Remaining would be in the next bracket. So that would be minus t square plus 8t to the power 4 minus 16t to the power 6. We have taken it here in the other. Now let us check what we can have it here from the second one, which is equals to square root of 1 minus 8t square plus 16t to the power 4 minus, if we are taking t square out from each and every bracket, every term from here, so it's t square out. If we are taking t square out, we are taking minus t square. We will be getting 1 minus 8t square plus 16t to the power 4, which is nothing but, if you will observe here now, so now you can check it here, this is 1 and this is bracket. If you will observe, these are the common brackets. If you will observe, this is 1 minus t square, 8t square and 16. So we can have this common from this one, which is equals to square root of 1 minus 8t square plus 16t to the power 4. In the bracket we will have it just 1 minus. So what would be that? That would be 1 minus t square, right? But what is the first bracket? This bracket is nothing but an expansion of, 1 minus 4t square the square into 1 minus t square. So now this is a t square, it's a square, so it will come out of the bracket. That means we have got this 1 minus 4t square the square, that will come out of the square root sign with 1 minus 4t square into square root of 1 minus t square, which is nothing but we can have this as So we have got this as, this is just a denominator, the value of the denominator. So we have to take this value, put it in this equation. So we have got this particular equation here. So what is that? That is nothing but we are calculating dz upon dt. So dz upon dt is equals to, what was in numerator? Numerator was 3 into 1 minus 4t square. That was 3 into 1 minus 4t square. And what we got it as a denominator? Denominator as 1 minus 4t square into square root of 1 minus t square. So we can cancel them out from here, and we have received our answer as dz upon dt is equals to 3 upon square root of 1 minus t square, which was the desired answer. If you'll observe here at a glance, you can just understand that this is what was required, and we have done this as the adjustment. So this is just an adjustment, we have done it whenever we are, so it's like a perfect square. We have completed here the perfect square, that is 1 minus 8t square plus 16t to the power 4 and so on. I hope you have understood, and this is the first time we are doing some experiment. If it is okay, if it is good, you are good with this, we will just try to shift from the PPTs to the OneNote, and I'll explain you each and every step in detail. I hope you have understood this particular question. If you have any doubt, any query, put me in the comment section. Thank you. Happy learning.